plays. Let's get the ball rolling here. Bunch of new stuff, guys. Rita has asked that I start a crypto strategy, so we are tracking that. We will be popping in and out of there throughout the day. Did open a Binance account yesterday for that. Watching our regular account after Yellen's farce yesterday, we should see some solid upward movement. Good morning, good morning, good morning. But we should see some solid upward movement on the market today after Yellen had to retract her comments when she woke up from her senior nap and realized that, oh, wait, I'm no longer the head of the Fed and I will not control interest rates. So I should probably just be quiet about that because that's not my job. Which is along the lines of what I was saying yesterday. So Clover still in positions, guys, in Clover, ETON, SHG, and HUT. Sundial got good news this morning. Clover's up pre-market, starting to move a little bit here now that 9 a.m. has struck. It's 9:13 right now pre-market. ETON is up pre-market. It is up a little bit, 854. Portfolio should be green on the day. The market's going to bounce back from the insanity that was, so we'll keep an eye on that stuff. This. Oh, that's not right. This goes here. This goes here. This goes here. We go over here. We do this. Go back here. Bum, 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 bum. And then we'll do this here. This. Ooh, I didn't optimize this morning. Ruh-roh, slacking. Reminder, guys, I will not be here tomorrow. I will not be here tomorrow. I will not be here Friday. I will be on the morning call tomorrow, but I will not be in chat. So just be aware of that. What is up? What is up? Yeah, if they withdrew the appeal, then they should be good to go. I still have my AQB options. I don't have AQB equity. I'm going to take it low and slow getting back in there, though. I like these other plays that I have. It gives me time either way because they haven't been selling. And if they're not selling, they missed their due date on selling, then I've got time to get into that position. It won't be until their next earnings that there's anything of value. I mean, I shouldn't say that. There'll be some pump when they announce that they are officially selling. That will be there for sure. But yeah. Okay, so this is all set up properly now. I do need to update a couple of commands here, guys. So just give me 2 seconds on that. This goes over here like this. This. And then the video for yesterday was what? this dashboard, content, videos. This guy here, this guy here, and then we go here. Perfect. All right. Now we're all set up. Sorry about that. Good morning, Marianne. Okay, so disclaimer, guys, as we get started here, nothing that you see on the stream is financial advice. This is for education purposes only. I'm here to show you how I trade. Hopefully you can learn a few things from that, but you're not to take trades that I take. I trade an extremely high risk portfolio. Please be aware of that. Do not trade what I trade. Please go seek out a financial advisor if you're not sure how to manage your own portfolio, or even if you should manage your own portfolio. If you are managing your own portfolio, never ever shadow trade some fool on the internet wearing Metallica sweater. Okay, this is just general good life advice, not financial advice. All right, but that disclaimer is in chat for those of you watching over YouTube. You guys can see it in the description down below. For those of you watching everywhere else, the disclaimer is just pop that up here. Open up Restream. Bam. Okay. So yeah, disclaimer is there for you guys on command. What else do we have? Video from yesterday, guys. If you haven't seen it yet, it's on Hut Mining. Did that breakdown for you guys like I said I would. Overnight, what did I do overnight? This was kind of fun. So Martini was giving me crap about crypto and how she wanted me to trade it and take a look at it. So I have built out a strategy on crypto. Starting with a $5,000 portfolio, 4,000 in USD, 1,000 in Binance, and I am tracking gains on the daily as a result of that. Now this is going to be difficult for me to say that this is the gains though, because this is, I have to constantly convert this into a US dollar figure. I think the SNDL news is big. I think that's a huge deal. Okay, so they've got it at 653 right now, and I've got 332. So Vathel Island, thanks for the follow. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So if it's 652 USD, then USD equivalent equals this times 6.52. No, equals so started with 1.5, made a bunch yesterday, converted the USD, the CTSI was in USD, so, or US in Tetherus, so converted that over, then converted the USD back into Binance. So currently we are sitting at, how is that right? Oh, it's not 6.52, it's 652. I was like, that's not right. 652. Okay, so that's what we have from the original 1,000 in Binance. So this is the current Binance holdings that we have. This is the current USD equivalent. So this plus the initial 3,000 that we still have there, we made 166.03. So still pretty close. 166.03 is where we are for gains. So 3.3% on the day. I did see the FTOC eBay news. I think that's fantastic. SNDL got good news. I think that's fantastic. We are not crypto. This is just a strategy that she wanted me to try out. I did actually take a position though in Doji overnight. So this is an actual crypto account in Binance that I put $100 into Doji overnight just as a meme. Because the rule that we always have is if you're going to trade a strategy, you got to put skin in the game. So I did that. That resulted in me taking a gain on Doji overnight and converting it into USDT, which in the few seconds that I held USDT, it appreciated and I gained more on the trade from USDT to BNB. I then took my BNB holdings and put them into DIA. So now I'll be holding DIA. Did Martini? No, she didn't convince me. I'm going to give this a couple days. I put $100 in here because I have the rule that if you don't have real money in it, it doesn't matter. So I did put real money in. There's $100 that I put in here. The trades I've taken so far is I put $100 in Doji, traded it overnight. It's up 60% on the day. So I took those gains and I rolled that into USDT for about 5 minutes and I took gains on that trade. And then I rolled it into BNB, which I took gains on that trade. And then I rolled BNB into DIA, and DIA is now where it is. So yeah, we'll go from there. If we look at a flat conversion of, if I had $100 Canadian, BNB CAD. So one Binance is worth $7.99. I want this pattern the other way though. I want CAD BNB. So I put $100 in. I should have been able to get 12 Binance. That's not right. Yeah, this is wrong. It's not 0.12. It's 0.0012. So I'm actually up 4,000th of a Binance coin. I'm up 4,000th. Yeah, BNB's over 600. So that's what I'm doing here. This number is wrong. It's not 0.012. It's this. It's 0012. This is accurate. One Canadian dollar will buy 0012 Binance. So yesterday it was this. So the gains between yesterday and today on my own account would be calculator eliminator. 0.0012160 divided by oh, come on. My mouse is doing that crazy click thing again. So the reference for that I'm using is this article right here. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Seeking Alpha is getting really desperate for these ad dollars these days. I'm actually pulling it off of this. Their investor sheet. Here is the hash rate in blue versus their market cap. So you'll see Riot at 1,000, Hut 8 at a little bit more, but this is as of February 2021. Any exciting news this morning? Yeah, SNDL had great news. Bad news for Riot guys. There was a bill presented in New York to ban crypto mining. So what is 0.0004. I made $30 on 100 already. So I'm up 32% on the actual crypto holding. So I put in 100 last night and I made 30% overnight. So we'll see how Dia does today. But this is real money, guys. This is the strategy. I'm going to take 10 Binance positions every day and just keep trading this Binance account, seeing what the growth looks like after a week, and we'll see how it goes. Can you link the article on Hut 8? Yeah, I can. That's this one here. So that's kind of where we're at today, guys. As far as which ticker we're going to be watching going in, I kind of want to watch CLOV going into market today, I think. I can't think of anything else that I really am like hot to trot on. Rita got me to put together a strategy. But one of the rules that I have, and you guys have heard this before, I'm not about just doing paper trading. I've never been about that because when you just paper trade, there's no value to it. And you miss some things just paper trading it, right? There are certain things that only happen in real time. So one of the ones that I had to get used to was it's not equity, right? You're not moving into an equity and back to a dollar and into an equity and back to a dollar. You constantly have to shift things around, and there are certain exchanges that only accept certain currencies. So that was a bit of a pain where I had originally started with Doji from Canadian dollars. So, I did CAD into Doji, and then Doji can't directly buy into BNB, so I had to go Doji to USDT to BNB. And then with Binance, now that I'm on the Binance markets, I can trade the things that I want to trade on Binance. And I know one of Martini's things that she wanted me to tackle was the fuel risk. There's almost no fuel cost whatsoever on Binance. So yeah, but from now on, it's literally going to be 5 minutes a day. I'm going to hop into that real money Binance account, and I will take everything that I've got and I will move it into the top mover for the day, and I will just leave it for the day. And then when I'm done, when I'm done at my desktop at around 4 o'clock, 4:30, I'm going to just sell my position. And if it's up, it's up. If it's down, it's down. Started with $100. Let's see what happens. But that's kind of it. Okay, so we are gonna actually let's watch SHG. I want to watch SHG because it had a wicked fall yesterday. Texas, no Binance. Yeah, you can't Binance in the U.S., guys. Actually, there are some states that you can Binance in. I guess I should add that as a command, eh? Because there is a referral thing. Where is it? Referral, earn bonus. Bum 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 bum. Generate your link. Okay, so I'm going to set this as high as I can on this. You guys get as much, but set as the default for the horde. Oh. Okay. Copy that. Go to stream elements. Okay, and we'll add that over here into the YouTube stuff. All right. Good, man. Intermittent fasting is something I've been doing forever. I've been doing that for years and years and years. That one's not bothering me at all. Um, anyway, there that is. So now that should work in
Oh
the
no.
commands.
Oh
What?
no. She convinced you.
No, she didn't convince me. I created a strategy for
No.
her over the weekend. I created a strategy for her. That's it.
You're still muted on Discord, by the way.
Oh, better? Yeah, no, I created a strategy for her. That's it. That's all that has been accomplished here. But that strategy that I created for her had a 3% gain overnight on $5,000.
Man, I don't want to do it because you want someone to program doing the triangular arbitrage thing that I'm thinking about, because it's a simple calculation, but you need speed. And since most people in this particular field for the type of finance and stuff like that aren't akin to arbitrage yet, I would imagine
Yeah,
there's some arbitrage.
you guys are going too deep into this shit. It's not about arbitrage. That's not my strategy. My strategy is you buy the shit that's running at the start of the day, and when you leave your desk, you sell. How are the certain coins chosen? Okay, I'll show you guys that because that is important. So the way that the strategy works is at the start of the day, I will open up Binance. I will go into the markets. I will go to the Binance markets, the BNB markets, right? And I will take the top 10 24-hour change tickers that are here. And I will buy 10% of the float. So I will close everything from yesterday, which I already did. You can see that here, all of these here. I will close those out. I will update my current Binance position and the US equivalent. I will calculate the gain on the day. I will then take whatever the current Binance is and split it equally amidst the top 10 movers on the day. I will do that first thing in the morning before I get started. And then at the end of the day, when I log off, at the end of the day with Martini, I will log off. But before I log off, I will enter in my exit prices on these things. And we will see what the gains were. And we will run it like that. And I will run it for 10 days. And we will have 300 data points. And it literally will be that simple. It will be 5 minutes of work. I will walk in. I will put in my entries. I will take my exits. What's up, guys? Crypto is 24/7. Crypto is however you trade it. So typically commissions are not that low. However, when you trade on Binance, they are, as long as you're trading on Binance, which is why I'm on Binance. I also took Meow's suggestion yesterday of being on a centralized exchange while doing something like this. So centralized exchange, as well as being on Binance, as long as you're trading in Binance into other things with Binance, on the Binance market, the commission fees are nil, almost nil, fractions of a cent. I don't know what Rita's doing. I don't even think Rita has real skin in the game here.
That's
Yeah,
that's why I was saying triangular arbitrage should be good, because there's little to no fees for if you exchange it with Binance. And the way that triangular arbitrage works is you need about 3 pairs, and you're just playing off the inefficiencies between them, which is there a lot. There's no market maker to crush this out.
yeah. I'm not. Whatever that is, that's way too much thought. I'm not doing that. I'm buying whatever the top 10 are on the list and selling them at the end of the day. Even the discrepancy between even if their hash rate is 1.6, that even if you're trading, or even if you look at Riot's hash rate there, it's not a big deal because the market cap difference between the two of them is still so massive, right? So guys, I'm still up $2,000 on SHG. Hut is moving back up on the day. Hopefully this gets back up above. Maybe I put another 500 in here. Let's do 400 shares. 300. 200? What the hell are you talking about? It doesn't have sufficient buying power. There's $500 in buying power. It doesn't have. What are you on about? 100. Stupid desktop is being stupid. Hold on. Have to reopen. Everybody's ordered miners. Hut 8 has backlog on ordered miners as well, so. Yeah, guys, I'm not going to go into deep thought reading white pages, understanding arbitrage, the movement of currencies, the fluctuation in markets and exchanges. I'm not doing that. I'm picking from the top 10 list, buying and selling at the end of the day. That's as much thought as I'm willing to give this one. That's as far as I'm willing to go. All right, guys. Video for yesterday is out though on hot mining. You can get my DD on that there. If you guys just have a second, please swing on over there. Give it a like. Give it a comment. You guys have actually been helping in a huge way. I'll show you guys. I will show you guys how much the channel has been growing as a result of how much you guys have been watching and commenting. So we will take a look at that. Why is this not doing this? Come on. It's right here. Okay. So let's do this. Let's do. I can't believe I can't buy 400 with that. 200. Oh, I'm doing this wrong. Duh. There we go. Because math is hard. Okay, I lowered my DCA a little bit. I lowered it a penny. But Canadian margin's still up, guys, up 4% on the portfolio there. US, I'm up almost 7% on this portfolio. ETON's back up on the day. CLOV warrants haven't moved yet, so let's take a look at the big sheet. This is HUT right now. It's kind of moving all over the place. Let's go SHG. Not doing anything. Is SHG even trading right now? Is it halted? No, it's not halted. It's there. It's just not moving. Okay. Yeah, gapped up. As soon as Yellen backtracked her comments, which is weird, almost like what I said, that she has no place talking about interest rates as the head of the Treasury instead of the Fed. She thinks she's still doing her old job, and she's not. She needs to shut up. She needs to shut up. And that has nothing to do with her being a woman. That has everything to do with her talking about things that she shouldn't be talking about. It's none of her concern. The interest rates are not her problem. That's on Papa Powell. He'll figure that out. Go back to doing your job. So CLOV is actually down on the day, which is interesting. We are heading into earnings very, very quickly. So that is going to be fun to watch. Here's BTX RHE from the other day. These were two big runners. Top runners out the gate: ATNX, CHMA, iBio, HeyW, DPW. Not seeing anything here that's like, oh, rock my world. RHE is here again, though. That's interesting. Top volume, FAMI, FAMI, 27 million volume on it. COCP, ATNX, SNDL, iBio. FAMI is going. Soxel was good for you yesterday. Yeah. Guys, FAMI's average volume is typically 8.6 mil. It's at 28 million already. That's crazy. Spike. It's FAMI. It's gonna be an Asian. It's gonna be China stock, right?
Fine. All right. I have time. What's your Binance link?
It's here. Oh, come on. That one.
Right now, I don't remember whether I still have an account with them or not, so we'll see.
It took me 2 seconds to set it up. I was pretty surprised. Like all you needed was your passport. They've got a photo recognition program that you can use. It was pretty quick and easy to set up. And then they allow direct Swift transfer from TD. I can immediately transfer funds. I imagine they've got that same option for any Canadian bank, but once again, pays to live in Canada. So just a reminder, guys, I will not be here tomorrow. I am going to try to knock out 2 videos today. I can't promise that, though. Trump band is trending.
Facebook and Instagram again.
Trump's Facebook ban is upheld. They're saying it was justified in banning them. They have to review how long the suspension lasts. Obviously, the decision does not apply to Twitter, YouTube, or any other services. Oh, really? Zuckerberg can't people banned off of that? Isn't this soda like 1,000 Canadian? I don't know. I don't buy soda. Rob Ford's dead. That's awkward. Agent Rob Ford is dead. He died of cancer. (2016). Doug Ford, his brother, is currently the Premier of Ontario. And I'm not going to throw shade at people that have done coke because that would make me a hypocrite. You know what I mean? So we've all been there. We've all gone for a little face plant in the snow now and again, right? Right. Speaking of which, I need my caffeine fix. I'll be right back. Yeah, so SNDL guys, of the 700 million, they spent 140 on the Sunbeam pot investment deal. They have spent 100 and hold on, let's get all three here. I want the actual numbers instead of just throwing them off the top of my head. They acquired Interspirit for 130. They boosted their stake in Valens, which cost them so 140 million was Sunbeam or Sunstream. They spent 2 million here, so that's 146 million that they've spent. And then their acquisition of Inner Spirit today. So 146, 131. We're at 270 of the 700. Canadians love snow. We do. Who doesn't love a good day in the snow? You know what I mean? Okay, I'm dating myself here, but does anybody remember a guy named Ross Ribliotti? Anyone? Ross Ribliotti is one of the moments where the entire world or Canada laughed their ass off at the entire world. How do you even spell it? It's got a G in it or something. There it is. Okay. So Ross Ribliotti, guys, was a Canadian snowboarder. Nagano was the first Olympics to ever have snowboarding as an event, okay? Canada went and competed and won the gold medal, all right? Ross Ribliotti, now he's the founder of Legacy Brands CBD. That's hilarious. So he won the gold in Nagano, and then after you win a medal, they take you to the testing area to test your blood. And they originally tried to take his gold medal because he tested positive for pot. And the entire world was like, this is an outrage. He smoked pot. That's why he won. And Canada lost their shit. We lost it. We thought that was the funniest thing in the world, that anybody was shocked that the Canadian representative for our snowboard team was stoned. The only way that helped him win was that he went down the hill faster to get to the munchies. It is absolutely hilarious. Obviously, after a while, they reinstated his gold medal and realized that the argument of him having pot in his blood was a joke. Now, originally he had said, "I didn't smoke it. I was just at a party where somebody smoked it and it's secondhand," which is bullshit. He smoked it, but absolutely hilarious that he had his medal taken away because he smoked pot. Hilarious. And now he owns a medical cannabis company. Good for him. Super proud of this guy. So there he is when he won his gold, and there he is now with his pot plants. The CBD company is, what's his CBD company called? His CBD company is called Legacy Brands. Legacy Brands CBD. I don't know that it's publicly traded. BLEG? No, this is not him. This is not him. He's not publicly traded. U.S. gold medalist skier would compete while drunk. Yeah, it's like you take a a medal from a Colombian rep because you found traces of cocaine in their blood. Like, okay. I'm not saying every Colombian does cocaine. I'm just saying I wouldn't be shocked if a Colombian rep had cocaine in their blood. Right? Like I wouldn't lose my mind on that. The meme value alone would be outstanding. Can you imagine? First place is a Canadian, second place is a Colombian, third place is like a, a guy from China. And the first place Canadian loses because he's got pot in his system, and the second place guy from Colombia loses because he's got coke in his system, and the third place loses because he's got opium in his system. Can you imagine how nutty that would be? The stereotype Olympics. I feel like there's a South Park episode in that somewhere. Yeah, the fourth guy who has steroids, he's fine. That's typical. Again, guys, that was a generalization. I don't think all professional athletes do steroids. Just the ones that compete in the Olympics. Um, Hut's up on the day. SHG is up on the day. Portfolios are looking green. Actually, the US one is red. It's down 1%. ETON and CLOV warrants are down. CLOV is still below 9 here. Seeking Alpha lies. It lies. This man's throwing shade. Can you imagine putting all your faith into this guy? My response to a troll, and this is a breakdown. We did have somebody asking yesterday how do I respond to trolls? I respond to trolls like this: I can't. That would be insanity. Now, hanging out and having a good time watching me trading my stuff, that's a blast. Take the hate, let it go, throw some love. I did find a crypto stock that I can finally get behind, guys. I think this is just fun. Pokeball, crypto. Pokeball, gotta catch 'em all.
Oh my god, someone actually oh, not just one person, multiple people actually programmed this the arbitrage thing I was looking at. I don't even have to do any work. I can just look at it.
There is a Pokeball crypto coin, guys. I really just want to buy one to hold it, to have that Master Ball. Pokeball is up 621% in the last 24 hours. Yeah, if anybody is shadow trading me, your drawdown probably hurt you quite a bit. Pokeball is a yield farm. This is all blah 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 blah. I don't get this, but Pokeball is a yield farming running in the Binance Smart Chain. We provide big rewards to the people staking. We lock 75% rewards for a year, and 25% rewards can be withdrawn instantly. So this is saying it's on Binance, so I should be able to trade Pokey, right? It's not saying it's here. Alt? Pokey? No records found. Fiat? Pokey? Nothing found. BNB? Futures? Pokey? No. Zones? Pokey? No. Where do I find this thing? You think it said Pokey? No, it's P-O-K-E. It says it's running in the Binance Smart Chain, so it should be there. Use the advanced market window. Where's the advanced market window? This one? Okay, search. Wiki. No data. BNB. Alt. Margin. It says it's on the Binance. I don't see it though, guys. Can you trade Pokey on Binance? It says it's on it. It looks like it's a Pokey BTC. It's on the altcoin exchange, it looks like. But I'm in the alts and it doesn't. Just want to trade a Pokeball. Give me that sweet Pokeball. Oh well, I'm not gonna find it. That's fine. The gains I could have made trading the Pokeball. Guys, I'm not encouraging crypto, by the way. If you don't hear the laughter in my voice, this is my laughter. The breaking news today: Carol Baskins is the Tiger King lady. She's come out with a cat coin because she doesn't like dogs. Yep, launched her own crypto coin. Cat is not a currency for investment, but rather is a pure currency. Future plans include a big cat metaverse for virtual visits with the cat and NFTs, which are launching in about 2 weeks. It's funny that she's saying it's not an investment tool, but people are going to trade the crap out of this. Does cat show up in the altcoins? No. Maybe she's literally making coins, like in her backyard. She's got like a coin maker. That'd be funny. All right, let's see if there's any other news out there that we got to cover here. IPO values the firm at 1.5 billion. HNST. It's going to start trading today. Their price at $16 a piece. Where do you think this goes, guys? Doji will never pass 69. Well, it's a good thing I got it at 68. My opinion on SNL, guys, is it will buy up to SNL, but then there will be profit taking. Have you bought all the coins yet? No, I have bought very little coins. So guys, my real money account for crypto, I put in 100 Canadian into Doge last night. Get along, little Doji. And then so I put 100 Canadian into Doge last night, and then closed that out this morning. So I got in at 58, got out at 68 this morning. And then I moved that over to USDT, which I then converted into BNB, which I then converted into DIA. And right now I'm sitting on this many DIA. CAD DIA. Nope. Crypto. Zia Coin USD. FWE, thanks for it. Thanks for follow. Or that's a sub. That's not a follow. Nice, FWE. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Greatly appreciate it. I'm so used to that bell just being being a follower, but you rock. Thank you for that. Okay, so Dia here, guys. $5 a share, or $5 a token. It's gonna take me forever to get this crap. Not at all, man. It's gonna take me forever to get through this crap and the terminology. So you guys can just bear with it. It's gonna be brutal. It's gonna be painful as hell to have a boomer even look at this stuff. So again, guys, this is not gonna be a long-term thing. I don't think. I'm literally just doing this as a meme to show Martini that it's a meme. But if I see actual money on it, I'll just keep playing with the money. But okay, so this converts to this US. Is that how that works? I guess that's how that works, right? So 18 by 5 is how many do I have? I've got that. Okay. So 16 times 5. So it's going to be calculator. This number times 525. Okay, and then convert USD to CAD. 88.62. I made $9. I made $9. That's 10% on the day. Woo! What a joke. Oh boy, guys. It says the value on Binance. Where does it say the? No, that tells me the value in Bitcoin. I don't want the value in Bitcoin. I want it converted um, into BNB. ZRX. Maybe I can find Pokey this way. NOP. PO. No, no Pokey. Under the. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Walk me through it. Speak to me as though I were a small child. Okay, so under the. Oh, this is the USD? And I can make this into CAD by going to the top corner. Does it have CAD? I don't see CAD here. Oh, there it is. Nice. Nice. Yeah. Look at me doing things. Poku with that sub. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Third column, right side. Got it. Look at me. Look at me. I'm doing things. You proud of me yet, Mom? You proud of me? Yeah, so, I mean, close to 10% overnight, ladies and gentlemen. It's beating my equity portfolio right now, I'll tell you that. SHG is green again, by the way. Hut is up a little bit, not a ton. So yeah, guys. Again, just to go over the strat real quick for anybody that might have missed it, I am still an equity trader. I'm not a crypto trader. I'm doing this as a courtesy to Martini. She very rarely asks for anything, and she begged and pleaded on the internet live last night for me to take a look at this and do something. So I put together a starter kit. It was a $5,000 US starter kit. I started with 4,000 US, 1,000 BNB. And we're running from that. Okay. Now, Ethereum, sorry, $1,000 in BNB, not 1,000 BNB. So my starting BNB was 1.57, whatever this number is. Okay. And so Ethereum, XRP, guys, these are regular holds that I will be keeping. XRP and Ethereum will just be long-term holders, and I'll keep that there. Got a decent entry on Ethereum. So as long as Ethereum continues to move up, that'll be there. And then Ripple as well. Ripple is another one that I've got in there in USD, which is up 10% today, which I might exit out of. No, I'm not going to exit out of Ripple. Why would I exit out of Ripple? That's stupid. Ripple's just going to keep going. Fraxbase, I'm not. I'm just going over. Martini asked me to do this. Now, as for the rest of this, guys, these ones are going to be long-term holds for the duration of the strategy. So through the 10 days, at the end of the 10 days, I'll exit Ethereum and Ripple. Now, as far as the daily goes, I will take the top 10 movers when I start my morning and put in whatever the division from the day before is. So I'll close this morning. I closed out the 10 positions that I had, took the gains and losses, moved it into the next play, divided it equally among these 10, and I will continue doing that for the next 10 days. And I will see if literally 5 minutes of thinking can result in any sizable gains. Now, that being said, guys, day one was a 3% gain. Who here would like 3% gains every day? Anybody? That's what a bank offers you for a year on your high interest savings account. You take the 1%, right? Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see what this does. Now, that being said, guys, if this continues to do what it's doing and it does prove itself to be a viable strategy, then this may be something that we do, Martini and I, on stream for you guys. In crypto, it's not enough. Yeah, I mean, maybe. But yeah. That I saw 10% on the night is interesting. I did close my Ethereum holdings, by the way, guys. I decided that that's going to pay for my puppy dog. If you guys haven't seen the puppy dog, the picture is in Discord. Whoa, I don't want you guys seeing that. That would be bad. Pokey's on Coinbase. Yeah, I'm not going to move money over to Coinbase, though. Not going to do that. It's Thursday. I leave tomorrow, guys. That's why I'm not here tomorrow and Friday. You guys will not see me. I will not be around Thursday and Friday. I will be here Saturday for the weekly DD, but I will not be here tomorrow or Friday. We are picking up the puppy. The puppy. The puppy. Ooh, we got the puppy. Let me go see if I can get you guys the picture here. The dog's name will not be Ether. We have yet to settle on a name. Typically, we go with a Roman name. So our first dog was Rex. The second dog was Spartacus. We had another dog that we had to rehome, who was Ben Hur, but we call him Benny. There he is. There's the little guy. Call him Doji. Doji the doggy. My wife had an idea that she was floating out there. Ultimately, this is for our daughter who had to surrender Ben Hur. So when we got Benny, he was he had been abused. He had been traded through 5 or 6 different owners in a month. He had massive food aggression. He had massive aggression. He had never been properly trained. So I took him in. I used to be an animal rescue guy. I had all the certification and everything, but so I took him in. I was able to break him of his food aggression and attacking other dogs, other. Ooh, I like that, Caligula. I was able to break him of his food aggression. I was able to break him of his aggression towards other dogs as well as the cats. However, with the girls and my wife, he was not comfortable with my wife and my kids. He was great with me. I got bit a couple of times, put him in his place. He learned right from wrong. He didn't do that again. But he really needed to be in a place where there wasn't children and there were dog owners that were confident and knew what they were doing with a dog. So we had to unfortunately tell my daughter that she had to send her puppy off to the farm. Now we didn't. It's not like the usual tale where you send him off to the farm and he actually gets euthanized. We actually found a farm and sent the dog off to the farm and he's doing well there. So, but that being said, she's been anxiously awaiting the potential for another animal. So we, instead of getting a rescue this time, this will be the first animal that we've gotten that's not a rescue. That way she can train him from scratch and it can be her dog. So thank you, Ethereum, for that. Pretty happy about that. Guys, for those of you that are wondering what's going on with the leukemia front, the young man is not doing well. Things are getting more and more complicated and they're progressing rapidly. So if you're the praying type, keep him in your prayers. If you're not the praying type, Keep them in your prayers. Uh, what? Yeah. So snow with me, what I typically find is the body language is everything. In retraining dogs with the food aggression. Who has leukemia? My nephew, for all intents and purposes. Um, he's 16 years old. He's been diagnosed with leukemia, but not just leukemia, a super rare type of leukemia that makes him resistant to most kinds of chemos. And what they found out was, well, he actually also contracted diabetes as a result of the leukemia. And now the diabetes is making it difficult for him to actually receive the only chemo that he can. So, but yeah, yeah, with the dogs, guys, especially with rescues, anything with aggression, body language is everything. That you have to be, you have to. It's a really fine line where you have to balance between being a symbol of authority, but not being an aggressor, right? Not like you're going to hurt the animal, but letting the animal know that you are in charge. You are the one that's there. So, but yeah, prayers are greatly appreciated for him, guys. His mom and dad are kind of rocked and reeling with it. It's a lot to take in. Um, like leukemia is not enough for a 16-year-old kid. He's got diabetes on top of it. Um, Tough times, man. Have cancer. I've had just about enough of cancer taking people I love. All right. What are we gonna do here? Dia on the day. Look at it go, baby. Woo! Yeah. Actually, I might be down on the day. I think I got in around here. Awkward. He is in Oregon. There are potential experimentals, but the problem is the rarity of it. The PHP designation on leukemia makes most of the chemo treatments next to impossible, and any experimentals won't work because of the diabetes, and that's the thing that's happening. Is there a way that I can see? Because I don't see entry. Like I don't see what I bought this for. There was somebody in here who. What is Dia? I don't know. It was the top mover on the day. I have no idea what it is. Is there any way I can see my ins and outs? Top right, orders, order history. I see earn history, buy crypto history, loan history, spot order, orders, spot order. Okay. Open orders, order history. Okay. Yeah. So here's so this is a conversion. It doesn't show my Doge sale though. I don't see the. So I don't see my buy of USDT. USDT. Oh, this is it. When I convert from Doji to USDT, but I don't see USDT. Convert history, maybe it's in there. Yeah, USDT to BNB. Okay, so that's it there, right? Trade, advanced trading, trade history. Where do I see trade history on this? Bottom, trade history. Here. Okay, so this is the pairing that I'm looking at right now, though, right? And I got in at 0.85, and right now it's 0.81. So I'm down. I'm down on the day. A Chinese OTC shipping company is carrying a portfolio. Yikes. All right, so I mean, I'm in Dia. It's down right now. We'll see how it does on the data. Somebody was saying all crypto is down right now. I see Ripple up 10%. I see Ripple up. I see Bitcoin up. I see Doji up. Ethereum's down. Litecoin's up. Coins can go down, right? Yeah, I have no idea what Dia is, guys. Absolutely no idea. Buy Dia. Buy Dia. Buy. Yeah. Buy Dia. Oh, it's got to be greater than 0.5. Okay, that's why. So this is Dia. I don't know if any of you that know crypto this means anything. Um, Dia is a decentralized information asset. It's an open source Oracle platform that enables market actors to source, supply, and share trustable data. Dia aims to be an ecosystem for open financial data and a financial smart contract ecosystem to bring together data analysts, providers, and users. In general, Dia provides a reliable and verifiable bridge between off chain data from various sources and on chain smart contracts that can be used to build a variety of financial D apps. Dia is a governance token of the platform and is currently based on Ethereum protocol. I, I don't understand a word that I just said, but for those of you that know what that means, there's that. Hope that's exciting. Um, Walmart sell off of Asda. I guess this is a UK grocery. Clovis is popping. Let's go to the power rankings. Ethereum Classic, guys, is up 47% on the day. Clovis is up 13. IPOF got some positive news that they're actually IPOF may not be fintech. I follow crypto on Gate.io. XLM, BTTX, ETON, Rocket, Veru, Voyager, Facebook. Clovis is moving. Why is Clovis moving? Should we go to Clovis? See what people are talking about. $24 million in revenue. Yeah, there's talk about short squeeze on this one too. Link did great yesterday. Awesome. Was Link one of the ones that is in here? No, I didn't have Link. That is one angry looking man. That is one very angry looking man. um, Gucci's new model. Good for her. Kicking the crap out of stigmas that have been around for far too long in that industry. I'm sorry, I called you an asshole. I thought you knew. I need that mug. All right, we'll go back over here. So let's see all time on Clovis, guys. At one point, this was worth close to $100 a share, and then this happened. So I don't know. Clovis down to 880. Okay. Uh, there are premium rooms now, guys, on StockTwits. I was talking with the guy a little bit. He suggested the guy that got my account reinstated. He suggested I create a premium room where people can come and hang out and yada yada yada. I don't know that I'm up for that. Who knows though? Once you get a few more followers, right? How many followers am I at? Yeah, baby, 159 followers. Let's go. Um, the one that I really want to get on is this, where right now they just have a couple of shows. Um, and this is kind of interesting because I'd love to have my show up here. But right now they're only doing podcasts, which is a bit of a pain in the ass. So we'll see. We'll see what happens there. Shout out to you guys, by the way. Here's the last 28 days, so you guys can see where the twos show up here. This is when I started making videos and how there's just this massive growth. Um, pretty much everywhere. Just really solid growth. Pretty much everywhere. I don't care showing you guys what you make on YouTube with this, but um, I make beer money. That CPM's getting sexy again, though. Redemption, are you there? That CPM's back up from 11 to 18.
I really wish I was monetized.
CLOV 877. She's going down. Spy going? Is that what's happening here? Spy's 415. AQB is green, HUT is green, ARBKF is green. Everything else on my board is red.
God damn it. Like everything. I'm about 2 years too late on this. So I'm looking through some of the arbitrage stuff that I was looking at before. It was good maybe 2 years ago. A lot of people actually got into it. Holy shit, there's so many. Yeah, no, it's no longer good. You need a low latency connection, and it's all about speed now. There's no edge.
Wait, computers are trading crypto? I'm shocked.
No. The not the computers, but the guys who used to program and do quant finance
Yeah.
in the regular market. Their edge was that they were at an institution and they were able to do it in a high frequency because all the institutional advantages and shit.
Okay.
And I think they were in it last. I think they were in crypto 1 to 2 years ago, and now that there's basically no there's no opportunity anymore because they're basically making that market somewhat efficient.
When I walk away, I can still hear you, Redemption. I got Bluetooth headphones. I'm still listening to you. It's not that I'm ignoring you. I just figured while you were talking, I'd go get a refill.
Oh, I was gonna ping Rita and say that I think it's either gone or you need some sort of institutional edge to eke out anything.
What are you talking about? I made 3% overnight. I didn't have no edge.
No, I'm talking about triangular ARB specifically.
That doesn't sound basic,
Exploiting
bitch. That doesn't sound basic,
exploiting
bitch, at
market
all.
inefficiencies. Okay.
The whole crypto is inefficient. The entire thing is inefficient. Right
No,
now, it's
everything
like
is
showing
everything.
up.
No. Everything is inefficient, but uh, the point is that these guys, because they jumped on, the time that they're inefficient is squashed out incredibly fast. It
The whole
will
thing.
become no, it
The
will
whole.
become inefficient at times, but
I don't
the
know,
reason.
man. The whole thing looks like a bunch of toddlers playing with AK-47s to me. That's all this is. Like, grab an
Yeah, because you're
AK,
looking at the
fire away.
yeah, because you're looking at the retailers. You're not looking at the quants.
You think the quants are driving Doji?
No. Oh my god. No.
That's what I'm getting
That's not
at.
what I'm talking about.
Right, grab an AK and fire away. Roger, Roger. That's not life advice or financial advice. Please don't grab AKs and fire
The
away. It's a metaphor.
I think the volatility would actually fuck them over because that sudden spike in price doesn't make their strategy efficient. So these
Uh,
guys thrive when Bitcoin does absolutely nothing. It just goes sideways.
so I got in at 57 last night, guys, on my $100 in Doge, and I got out this morning at 68. 67. Let's use real numbers because I want to make sure, so I can actually, and this is good for me because I can try to remember how I found this information. So order history. Yeah, 67.8 is when I got out. And I'm looking at the chart on Doge for the day, and where should be? What's the timing on this? I want 15 minutes. So the peak was 69 and I got out at 67.8. So not quite at the peak, but pretty damn close. And then it's just gone down since. $69, next level 420. Can you imagine Doji going to $4.20 a share? People would lose their shit. Guys, one thing that did scare me on this, and I don't remember where I saw it, these platforms are offering these folks some insane, absolutely insane leverage. 125 times margin. Please, 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 guys. This is not financial advice, but if you are even considering looking at crypto, do not trade it on margin. And sure as shit, don't trade it on 125x. Please. Yeah, I can't remember where I saw it, but there was 125 times margin offered. Maybe it wasn't this one. Maybe it was forex.com. But one of them was offering an not just dangerous, a negligent and reckless amount of margin. If you guys are considering doing this, it is literally casino money, okay? I'm not saying I don't want to offend crypto traders. I'm not saying crypto is a casino. But what I am saying is it's casino money that you put in. Please, guys. Right. That's exactly what I was coming at yesterday, Lord Santos, is that these crypto plays, I trade dog shit. I'm there. Okay? I am there. I trade dog shit. I do. But my worst dog shit looks like a pristine piece of DD and excellent equity compared to what I'm seeing here. I mean, Benzinga nearly daily has the crypto meme of the day up here. Let's see what the crypto meme is. Scam coin. Are you ready? You ready for this? TikToker launches scam. Is that TikToker? Is that what they're going with? Like this is a person? Oh, okay. So there, instead of a TikTok creator, it's a TikToker. Okay, great. This TikToker launches Scamcoin, raises $70 million an hour after launch. Known as Dre, created the simple, cool, automatic money scam token as a joke and saw it gain a market cap of $70 million within an hour. He made this as a joke. No one told you to buy this shit. It's called scam, you stupid motherfucker, said the blogger. Dre created Scam without knowing how to do none of this because it was meant as a joke, he said to Vice. While he described himself as an ordinary person that just so happened to make a coin, he now feels obliged to make it useful to the world. After the token's market cap reached 70 million within an hour since launch, then fell to $7 million, according to Vice, and settled at 2 million as of press time. He also highlighted the ease of deployment on the Binance Smart Chain when compared to Ethereum. I looked it up, looked at Ethereum at BSC at PancakeSwap. I don't have a fancy computer, so Ethereum was out the window. BSC, though, that was simple, so I just effed around and made a coin. Scam follows in the footsteps of Doji, a coin that was created as a joke but then started breaking records one after another. How to make a altcoin on Binance. Create. Okay, I will be watching this video today, and I will be making a meme coin. Does it already exist? Is it already a thing? Ah, there is a meme coin already. Shoot. Okay, let's think of some terms here. YOLO coin. Damn, YOLO's taken. Oh, but this guy didn't use the right term. No way. Holy cow. This is a big deal, guys. This is Rip Uber. This is Rip Lyft. This is Rip DoorDash. Just Eat Takeaways. Stonk. Do a Stonk coin. Yeah, but you want the coin to have the actual like name. You can't. Can you do a 5? How long can the coin names be? Can you have a 5-letter coin name? There is a Stonk already. I don't think that there's a YOLO though. Oh, there is a YOLO. There is a YOLO coin, but there's nothing on it yet. Peepo? There is a Peepo coin. That's a Peep coin. 3. There's Reef. There's Free. There's. Is there a LOL coin? There's no LOL. Oh, there is. Emoji Network. A millennial coin. Just call it the mill. There's no MILL. I could create a mill coin. Moon.
Okay.
There's Safe Moon. I imagine that Moon already exists. Yeah, Moon already exists. Moon swap. Does Mars exist? Mars exists. MILF? There is no MILF coin. We could totally make a MILF coin. So what is it going to stand for? Millennials in like fungibles? Like, oh my goodness, guys. You realize this is a joke, right? Please, anybody that doesn't realize I am memeing, I am joking right now. I am joking. Martini is a lovable friend coin. Millennial Investments Limited Fund. That sounds fancy. Guys, I'm just joking, okay? Come on. Trade you some BNB for MILF? Got MILF? Oh, I could totally create, like, just get a glass and have a, like, put the shitty symbol over top of it. Got MILF? Okay. Are we doing this? Are we actually going to do this? How to create a coin, a crypto coin on Binance. How to create your own BEP20 token on Binance Smart Chain today. Blah, 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 blah. Smart contracts. Simply put, smart contracts are a code that runs on a blockchain designed for specific apps or services. The BEP20 token standard. Create a BSC token is surprisingly easy. These tokens conform to a standard called BEP20, which is similar to the Ethereum token standard. Ensures basic blah, blah, blah. You can view the API for BEP20 here. I don't know what that is. Somebody will have to help me with that. Keep in mind that BSC tokens can be swapped for regular Binance coins. Perfect. Creating a BEP token using token create. Okay, so token create. Create the token. Okay, anybody that knows what we're doing, can you point me in the right direction? How to create your own token. That's what I want. Just use a service. Okay, so I want a BEP20 token generator. Yeah, let's do that. Create a BEP20 token. Your token name, MILF. Your token symbol. Oh, so the symbol is MILF. Okay, so what are we calling this? Yeah, sorry, Marianne. We've gone completely off the deep end here. We just saw a guy that made a token overnight called Scam Coin that ran to $80 million in value. Okay, guys, MILF. What are we calling? Yeah, but what does it stand for? We need to settle on an acronym. Are we gonna go classy? Or are we gonna go meme on it? Do we just go mom's eye, making it last forever? Um, Memes instead of fungibles. Mom's spaghetti, making it last forever. Fake. Meme it. All right, we're gonna pull it. We gotta pull it. That's what we gotta do. Okay, creator dashboard. Go poll. Token. So there was one up there about Martini is a friend or something. Um, Whatever the Martini friend one is, I'll go back up and look it up after, but that'll be about. Um, okay, and then we've got the Millennial Investment Fund thing. Martini is a lovable friend. Millennial Investment Fund 1. We have, I'm going to submit memes instead of fungibles. We got two more. I don't know yet. We're going to take this one step at a time and figure it out. Any other suggestions? I can have up to two more suggestions here to vote on, guys. But this is going to be forever. You're going to make MILF Coin what it is. Martini in left field. I know it's getting my vote. Marianne, that's stellar. All right. Money is less fungible. Okay, I'll do that. That's the last one. I'm going to allow additional votes, but additional votes are going to require 1,000 Connect bucks because I got to get you guys to start spending some of those Connect bucks. Okay, and it's going to be a 5-minute poll. Okay, 5-minute poll. Go, go, go. Vote away. Vote away. Olympians, I refuse to make it that. Money in the face. Okay, I'll leave that up for now. We'll come back to that. Let's check. Should we check on the market? Maybe. Should we do that? What do you guys think?
Yeah, there's no fucking way you can do this manually. I took 30 seconds to look this shit up, and the price already spiked before I could even grab it. Yeah, you need speed and latency on this thing.
Or you just do what I'm doing.
Yeah,
Throw money at a dartboard.
like these things are 0.12, 0.12, 0.12, blah blah blah, profit margins and stuff like that, but like 0.24. This thing's parsing it every couple seconds, but that's yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Okay, I see what it is. So it's there, and then after a few seconds, like it's almost instantaneous. So it is basically the high HFT of crypto.
Oh, we're back over 9 on CLOV, guys. Remember, guys, CLOV W is always going to lag CLOV. So CLOV W is always going to lag CLOV. So it's still down 100 on the day, but this should come right back as it breaks above 9. ETON's down on the day as well. I'm still up on this, but guys, ETON, what blows me away with ETON, guys, is it doesn't matter. I don't care what this does day by day. I just don't. I don't care. This could fall to $5, and I'm not effing leaving. For it to have, and if you guys don't know why I'm bullish on ETON, guys, I did do the video on that. For anybody that's new, it's there. But I have never seen a setup like this in bio. Never. If I pull out 2-year history on this thing, it was up at 10. It's been down to 3. All-time high is like a little bit over 10. But this thing is just insane. Oh boy, we heard this before. I don't know that you've ever heard this before. I don't know that you've ever heard this before. I've never seen a setup like this. Zom isn't even close to the setup. Not even close. Zom had a single FDA approval. So they already have 3 approved drugs that they're currently selling on the market. We don't know what the value of that is. They have 3 FDA approvals in the next 2 months. They have their first earnings on these sales this month. Ian, what coin is that? What coin where? This is not a coin. This is stock that you're looking at currently. We are currently deciding on what the name of the coin. Money is less fungible has taken the win, guys, so we can go back to doing that. But oh, you guys can't even see the freaking chart. Pipeline. 3 approved drugs. These are selling. We get the earning on these sales right away. You can't believe that MILF isn't taken? Oh well, we'll try for it. Money is less fungible. Token decimals. It doesn't say. It doesn't say. It doesn't let me change that from what it is. I know somebody had said to do a certain amount, but your token initial supply. It won't let me use 11. It doesn't let me change that. Okay, my token's initial supply.
Are you serious? You're really creating a freaking crypto?
Yeah. I'm gonna take 420 to start. Okay. Supply type fixed. No, I don't want to. No, that's how much I get as we start out. I don't want that to be there. I can't change any of the stuff. There we go. 11. Mintable. Total supply. Yeah, no. The total supply I'm going to change here. I'm going to make the total supply 69,420. This is the total. This is the initial. This is going to be put in my account. I don't know yet. What? The fee is $700? Hmm. That's an expensive meme, guys. That's an expensive meme. That's still $250 to create this thing.
I'm so confused. So you just
Oh, this is free. We'll do that.
wait. So is this actually going to be a legit coin, or is it? I thought it was just a meme. What the hell?
Please install MetaMask. Okay. Download now. Install MetaMask. Add to Chrome. Add extension.
Quick, millennial, you want to pre-mine some of that coin, so in case it ever takes off, and you don't want to be
Let's
like the
get started.
Dogecoin creator.
Okay, where do I find the seed phrase on my Binance account so I don't have to create a new wallet? Where do I find that? No. Yeah, don't do that on stream for sure. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna show anybody my wallet. I'm just wondering
Oh
where I
my god.
find that.
God damn it, millennial! Why'd you have me go down this rabbit hole? I just realized something that could basically exploit. But oh my god.
Oh, you guys are saying just create a MetaMask wallet. Okay.
Let me know when you get off, Millennial. I just thought of something that's, yeah. Oh my god. I've been alive too long. I'm just saying.
Okay. Okay, so sorry guys, 2 seconds here while there's like a verification process that I've got to go through that I can't do on screen with you guys. I'll put you into this while we wait. Okay, I think I've done it. I think I've created my thing. I did. Oh man. Money is less. Well, I'm doing this. Somebody else is minting this coin, right? Advanced option. How to connect to the smart chain. Okay, so on the settings page, we want to head over to networks. Okay, I did that. We want to add network in the top right corner to manually. Okay, yeah. Add the Binance Smart Chain. Network name, Smart Chain. Okay. Martine's going to be so impressed that we created our own freaking Bitcoin, right? Our own crypto. Isn't that funny? I think that's funny. Currency symbol, BNB. Block Explorer. This.
I hate this. She brought back a dark side of me I thought that was dead. 2016, 17.
Still dead. Still dead. Okay. So I think that's done. Yeah, okay, that seems to be working now. So I should be able to go here and confirm. Okay, I did that, so now we got to go back here and refresh the page again. I'm, yeah. Memes. Memes. Did we do it? Did we do it? I think we just made history, ladies and gentlemen. All 67, 70 of you watching, you are a part of history. We were just here for the minting of MILF coin. Everybody in chat is getting a MILF coin once I figure out how to do that. Everybody in chat is getting a MILF coin. And Martini can't have one. Shh. Combs with that 5-month resub. I have no idea, man. I have no idea how to even give them out yet. I have no idea what I'm doing. That's it. Everybody should try to sell Martini a MILF coin. Oh man, the new hot coins MILF. You got to get in. What do I think about this? I think that's a sign that you can expect it on the NASDAQ. Yeah, if they're updating the SEC page, I think there's a very good chance that we can see that. Tipper a MILF coin? Toss a MILF coin to your witcher. Right? Right? That's how we do it. Who wants some MILF? I know you guys do. I may have done a bad thing. Did I close it? No. No, okay, it's still here. Did I close it? Where account details? Okay. Wait, what happened? It was thinking and then it stopped. Okay, we'll do it again. Okay, it says it's already requesting that. Check my wallet. How do I do that? How do I look in MetaMask? Okay, so I'm in MetaMask here, right? This is MetaMask. I'm not seeing anything here. Add token. MILF. Custom token. I don't see it, boys. I don't see it. I'm not seeing it. Yeah, next. Connect. It's a custom token address? Yeah, but I don't know what the address is. MILF. Where do I get the address from? Look it up on BSC. How do I do that? BSC custom token address search. MILF. Help me, boys. Help me. Help me, Tom Cruise. Help me. How do I find it? Oh, I see what it's doing. I see what it's doing. It wants me to come over here and do this, and then this. I need to put money into this to pay for the creation of it. I know it says 0, but it's not actually 0. It's a little bit more than 0. And I don't have any money in this MetaMask. So how do I put US dollars into MetaMask? Hmm. It won't let me buy anything. Use BNB. How do I use BNB? Add funds to MetaMask. How do I get funds in MetaMask? Okay. So I can send orders. So how do I send money? Transfer? Internal transfers are free. Um, I don't want to do an internal transfer. I want to send. Post my wallet address. Is that a good idea? Should I actually do that? Hmm. How much do I need? I need 0.13. So it's still like $100 to create the coin. I'm gonna put a pause on this, guys. Milk coin may return, but I'll do it when I have $100. I'll do it when I have under $100. MILF may yet live, but I will have to make $100 off of crypto before I spend $100 to make a crypto. Yep. Rip MILF coin. But it was a fun learning process. That is quick and easy. You have $100, you can just mint a coin for sure. So that's good to know. It is 11 o'clock though, guys, and I hope that you all had fun. I know that I didn't. Um, but that's there. Now I have a MetaMask wallet that I don't know what I'm going to do with. Probably nothing, right? It's just going to sit there forever being nothing, doing nothing. Okay, cool. One more extension for me to manage on my browser. I'm always thankful for that.
Would you
Yikes.
look at that? Ocugen is below its Monday open. Wow, who could have predicted that was a pump and dump? I was totally wrong. I should go back to working at Arby's. At least I'd be employed.
Clover Health, it's also below its Monday open.
Yeah, but I wasn't shorting Clover.
Hey, Hut's green on the day, ladies and gentlemen. 519. Let's go. I got a long way to go to make up that ground on it, though, for sure. Okay, so before we get out of here, I'll use it later. Okay, I mean that's fair. That's fair. I could use it later for sure. Okay, so as we head out for the day, guys, the U.S. account is green on the day. CLOV warrants have come back up. So that portfolio is green. I guess this is for the week. I won't see. Man, it's so weird. I won't see you guys till Saturday. Yeah, that's so weird. Thank you, thank you, thank you. The puppy will be live, by the way, guys, on Saturday. I promise to show off the puppy on stream. So you guys get to see it live if you swing through. Make sure if you're not following, subscribe wherever you're watching, you do that. Typically, I'm live every day, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, breaking down the market with you guys live, as well as Saturday. We have not decided yet. We're going to probably let our daughter decide, but Canadian portfolio is green on the day. U.S. portfolio is green on the day. Both portfolios are green across the board, so still pretty happy about that. Yeah, have an amazing day, guys. I'm going to send you to hang out with the meme man himself, Mr. Spot Guy. Is Mother's Day this weekend? Crap. Really? Oh, I'm in so much shit if that's true. U.S. Mother's Day is Sunday? I think it's the same for everyone, isn't it? Mother's Day. Shit. It's this weekend. Well then. I'm in trouble. I got her a new puppy. Fine. All right. Later, guys. Have an amazing day.